Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS dealer and educator, and I want to show you how to take a border, break it into spaces, fill it with something pretty simple, and come out with a very nice looking border design I call Chevron Sound Waves. We're going to take this border and just divide it into triangles, chevrons. You can use a ruler, or you can just wing it. And now I'm going to fill those with little back and forth kind of spaghetti wormy lines. Then I'm going to head up and head back. Fill in with my little spaghetti worms. When you're done, you can go back through and erase those lines that you made that gave you kind of the area to sew within. And you get this kind of chevron triangle whisper of shapes as your little sound waves or your little wormy waves move down your border. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted. And thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS long arm machines, contact your local dealer or visit your local APQS store or head over to apqs.com for more information.